Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2715. Today's date is 23 April 2023. It's almost like 10 p.m. Almost, yeah. It's 10 p.m. Yes. Uh, I just opened the Instagram. First of all, I didn't really have Instagram app. Okay. I uninstalled this app almost like months ago, almost like 2 3 months ago. Yes. Why? Because of that, the content that I'm consuming in Instagram, it's bit really something that nudity. Okay, nudity and sex and things like that. Okay, like I am not consumed, but Instagram is showing me that feed. All right. So and uh, and because of that I masturbate. All right, like basically it's a triggered point. Okay, it's triggered point for the masturbation. So I realized that, so I just uninstall the Instagram app, but still I can access the Instagram from Chrome browser. So it's a very benefit for me to use Instagram from the Chrome browser is that I can't watch reels more than 10 or 12 or 5. Like after 5 or 10 reels you can't watch even more reels on Instagram on Chrome browser. Because of that Chrome get hanged, because it constantly sucking those videos and background. It didn't really, like, Chrome is not meant to be show uh, scrolling video all the time. It shows little bit of videos but not for the long video, or not for the like basically in the Instagram you can scroll very easily. Okay, scroll, the next video will reload very quickly in the Instagram, but in Chrome it very difficult to do that. Okay, so it actually benefit me because of that. I can't watch Instagram that much. Okay, like because of, like, I am accessing Instagram from the Chrome browser, so usually I'm access just little bit of reels and what is the things happen, just that's it. All right. And since I uninstalled this Instagram, I realized that ki, um, I didn't really use Instagram that much. Almost like a 2 3 months ago, when I have that app, I was very much furious about this Instagram. Every 5 to 10 minutes, I just open up Instagram and just look for the reels and things like that. But really addictive, I was. But since I uninstalled this thing, good. But there is another app is replace is app is YouTube Shorts. All right. But I'm saying is that YouTube Short is kind of like a something really good, better than Instagram. Why? Because of that YouTube Shorts is actually a YouTube. Okay, and YouTube algorithm is actually way more developed than the Instagram. All right. Yeah, Instagram has so many people are use Instagram as also, but basically is that Instagram, like basically the algorithm, they are actually showing some sort of like a, I don't know. I didn't really like the recommendation of Instagram. Okay. Like basically, let me tell you one thing. I like photography. Okay. So basically, is that when I like some of the photography reels and videos, then Instagram is constantly showing me photography things like that. Like it is not really good, nah. Like sometime I just wanted to some sort of sketches and comedy things as also. Okay, but every time it shows me something really photography things. All right. If I went to the sketches, I like some sort of sketch video means like that ki Ashish Chanchlani sketch video or something like that, bit really comedy. Okay, when I like that video or 2 3 videos, then it shows me that sketch video constantly. Okay, the recommendation is not really good. All right, but YouTube Shorts has a better recommendation. Like it actually recommend me a better content for me. Like basically is that key in the YouTube you have a choose to what content should you watch. Like you click the thumbnail and you watch the video. Okay, you have a complete decision making of yourself that what to watch. All right, but in the shorts or in the reels, basically algorithm is actually decide that ki what should you watch. Okay, the next video you can't predict that what is the reel that I will watch next, you don't know. Okay, same goes with the YouTube Shorts. But actually is that YouTube Short is way much better because of that ki YouTube recommendation and YouTube algorithm is way much better. It understand what is the a person you are, what is the search history, what is the content that you like, and shows me exact same content which I like, and I prefer to watch. Okay, Instagram is not really that much. Okay, mostly Instagram shows feed like when the girl is dancing on some sort of song mostly. Okay, like basically a small porn, soft porn. It shows little bit of soft porn in Instagram, which is not really good. Okay, for me, yeah, for most of the people, yeah, but for me, I just don't really think that it's not good. So yeah, and as also is that YouTube Short is not that addictive, and as also some of the content that I get from the YouTube Shorts is literally something knowledgeable, something really good. It's a great, yeah, I like the YouTube Shorts algorithm, great. All right, but this is the not the topic that I wanted to discuss in the artificial episode. Okay, so today what is exactly happened is that today I just today was just almost like 10 minutes ago. Okay, after the dinner, before this artifact episode, well, I just went to the Instagram in the Chrome browser and looking my feed. Okay, so while there are kind of like a multiple person people that I know, they they grow their life very much. Like I saw the photos of Sachin Wagmare. Who is Sachin Wagmare? Sachin Wagmare is a topper in our class. Okay, is not in my class, but actually in the 10th standard, Sachin Wagmare and I are the same in tuition. Okay, he was topper in New English. I was not in New English. I was in the Rashtrasiddha Tukadoji Maharaj Vidyalaya, but we share the same tuition, right? And in that tuition, he is also a topper. All right. So Sachin Wagmare, all right. He, I am not really sure, but he is not living in India. He is living US. All right, and he is married or I don't know. Like I seen photos with a girl, and that photo is meant to be kind of like a husband and wife. So yeah. Then I saw another photos of Anup Kamre. Yeah, Anup Kamre get married. And I saw photos of Sergeant Thamke and Swapnil. Who are those person? Anup Kamre is one of my friend. Okay, in the school. Okay, and he's got married too. Same with the Sergeant Thamke and same with the Swapnil Gaj BA. Alright, he is also classmate when I was in 10th standard. Then Shruti Dobre, I saw the photo of Shruti Dobre recently. After recently, she's got married. All right, now she went to the I don't know, some sort of honeymoon. Okay, she post photos on Instagram. I seen that photo. Then Mayur Dhake, yes. Mayur Dhake is also one of my friend. Okay, he is also from 5th standard to 10th standard, then 10th to 12th standard. He was my friend. Also, he was one of my best friend. Okay, in 10 to 12 standard na, we are actually very close. Like we actually go to the school and college together, and we are actually very close. But right now he's just way far away. Yeah. I seen his photo. He is actually married. He will married after like 2 or 3 months. Yes. He just posted a photos of his engagement and pre-wedding shoot, something like that. I seen his photo. Uh, Gagan Ambedkar, yeah. Gagan Ambedkar, he's also getting married. All right. Next week she is married. Gagan Ambedkar is also one of my friend. All right. He also posted some of the pre-wedding photos in Instagram. Uh, Looking all those photos on Instagram, na, I just felt something that I left behind here. Dude, it's just like that, na, there are some certain of things that you have to do when you born. All right. Is that like there is some certain things, not some certain rules, I don't know. Okay, but people are follows those things. All right. And if you didn't really follow those things, na, the meaning, the there is no meaning of your life. What is this thing? And everyone, like basically almost like a 98% of all those people, all those human follow the same rule. Almost like a, if you accept those 2%, but 98% of people in entire planet follow the same rule. What is that rule? Is that ki you born, okay, you have to do your study till 25, okay, get a job, okay, and you have to get married before 30. All right, you have to get married before 30. All right, then get married, and then at 35 you will get a child or something, and then yeah, then life goes on. Yeah, so this is the process. Okay, you born, you get married, you get a child, and then yeah, whatever the person you are, whatever the person, rich, poor, whatever it is, everyone follow the same rule. All right. uh like I am not breaking any rules. Yeah, I also wanted to get married. All right. But is that now ki, like why I say something that yeah, I left behind, is that ki, yeah, actually I am left behind. Yes, like basically the people that I know, people that I know, that those people are very best friend, college mates, schoolmates. Those people are getting married. Getting married means like that, what, like what is exactly is this meaning of that? Well, basically is that they got a job. Okay, they got the job, they are well settled. Okay, now they realize that they have to expand their families. Okay, expand, they have to get married. So now they are getting married. Okay, same Gagan Ambedkar, Shruti Dobre, Mayur Dahake, Anup Kamble, Sachin Bagmare, yes, all those people, yes, all those people that I saw in this feed on the Instagram, yes, all those people have a job, they are earning good amount of money that they can sustain their life. All right, and they are getting married. Okay, and if I compare their position to me, is that I am like basically na, in 2016, sorry, in 2015, I was very hopeless. Okay, hopeless, and then I wanted to achieve so many things and dreams and everything. From 2015 to 2023, I am at same point, just same, like basically from 2016 where I was, where I am right now. That's it. I just didn't really know. Like basically is that In 2016, I went to the Nagpur. I realized that this is the kind of like a something that I changed my life. Okay, I wanted to achieve my dreams, and this is the beginning of this process. Okay, I did a job, I get the job, I do this thing, I did two jobs. Okay, I worked there for a year. I worked there another company for 2.5 year. Also, I learn about the design industry for almost like a year. All right, and after all those things, I realized that I just completely fucked up, and I came home, and I just completely focus on the. There is one thing that I wanted to focus is that the things that I want to, I just want to get that thing. That's it. All right. There is no thing that मैं ये करके ये achieve करूँगा या ये करके. No, it's not. It didn't really work out that well. If you wanted to be doctor, then go be a doctor. Go to the MBBS college. Go to that. If you wanted to engineer, go to the engineering college. Okay. You can't be engineer if you went to the art school. Okay. अगर मैं सोचता हूँ कि मेरे को इंजीनियर कॉलेज में जाने के लिए पैसा नहीं है, तो मैं आर्ट स्कूल में चले जाता हूँ, फिर उसके बाद फिर वहाँ पे ग्रेजुएशन करूँगा, फिर उसके बाद फिर आई डोंट नो, इट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस. Okay, if you wanted to be engineer now, you have to go to the engineering college. Okay, if you didn't really have a money, then obviously wait for it or ask some sort of money to get it, or get admission on college where they are not acquire any money to do engineering, or else you can do own your study for engineering and you can pursue the exam. Yes, but it doesn't mean that you have to go to the another college and another study to become something really. No, it didn't really work out that well. From the beginning, from 2016, from 2015, it's almost like 2012, I already knew that I wanted to become a filmmaker. I wanted to become a creator. I just wanted to be, yeah. There's a one thing for sure is that I don't want it to be a kind of like an employee in job in company. No, it's not. But because of some sort of family pressure, because of some sort of wrong advices, I went to I took some sort of bad decisions, and I waste almost like a 4 year of my life, 4 or 5 year of my life. All right. But I'm not saying that it waste. No, it's not. During this 5 year, I realized that what is the meaning of life, and what is the meaning for me for this life, and what should I wanted to achieve. All right. In those 5 years, those are things are actually discipline me to how to get work for almost like a 10 hour 12 hour constantly. All right. Since this COVID start from 2020, all right, I started learning things. I started learning about editing, started learning about creativity, everything. I am doing this thing because right now there is the only thing that I'm seeing. All right. I am doing this YouTube and gaming thing because of that this is the only thing that I can do. All right. And also one thing now ki, uh, I don't know, but like dude, yeah, you can't be expect something really good things from. No, it's not. Yeah, you just have. Just tell me what is exactly this thing. Right now, I'm doing YouTube. All right. Um, does does anyone your friend does watch your videos, or if you didn't really watch, whatever it is, okay? Does those people give you any compliment that you will definitely get succeeded, or yeah. I there is no one at all. Yeah, there is a one guy, Prashik, last week ago he came, and we just talk about that whatever you need, okay, he says to me that whatever you need, just call me. I completely believe in your things. Just do it. Just share the thoughts with me. when he says something like that na, I definitely feel really good. It's just like I don't know, like ऐसा feel हुआ कि कुछ तो है, like this is the banda, he's actually believe in me. All right. And everyone including parents, including the every closest person that I know, everyone is actually believe that I am wasting my time, all right, for doing this YouTube and things like that. And also one thing is that na, like basically you can't be expect that ki people believe in your craft. No one will does that. And obviously why, like like basically why? You are 29, almost 30, you are living with your parents, okay, you are bitterly shameful, dude. All right, you didn't really graduate as well, so you didn't really complete the expectations of your parents as also, not even the education, not even study, not even a job. Okay, you are pathetic, dude. And how does people believe in your craft? Obviously not, obviously not. So whatever the things that you have to do is that you do on yourself, do yourself to make things better. All right. And I know this is kind of like a something really very difficult time and everything you do. Like sometimes now I just really need a kind of like a person instead of like a talking artifact episode. I just wanted to hear a just kind of like a something really, just one word that कि भाई तू जो कर रहा है ना just करते जा तू बस बस it's like basically na, just anyone does say something like that na, I am not expecting any compliment. I'm expecting that कि बस भाई तू कर रहा है ना बस करते जा बस. I just believe in your things that you have to do. I don't have that person, dude. I don't have. I like basically na, it's just like sometimes na, as a human you need little bit of appreciation, like little bit of motivation, yeah. And basically at the beginning of this YouTube journey, it's a motivation is a very important. You have to motivate yourself. Obviously I like basically I have to motivate myself. Who else? Who would be like nothing at all. That's why I make artifact episode, that's why I make figure, that's why I'm uh, actually thinking myself that ki I will become something really much bigger. And for that bigger thing you have to do it constantly, day by day, every day. Okay, so and obviously yaar, after a while now, after like people will appreciate, definitely people will appreciate the I know that ki when I will be when I will achieve things, obviously people will appreciate, people will say that कि भाई क्या काम करता है जबरदस्त एक नंबर, yeah, everything is good. But at that time ना, I don't really need that time. Basically is that if I like when I get that subscriber, that number of subscriber, and obviously parents and everyone says that कि हाँ चलो तू कह रहा है सब ठीक है, you have to. But at that time ना, I don't really need that appreciation because I do know that. But when, like right now, at this moment na, at this moment right now, I just really need just a one person to say me that कि भाई तू जो कर रहा है ना, तू जितना एफर्ट मार रहा है ना, तू तेरे वीडियो में बस करते जा यार, बस करते जा. Like just like whoever the person who says me something that ना भाई मेरा जिंदगी ये हो जाएगी. But I don't have that person, so I just little bit of sad, cry, and don't really cry, dude. Yeah, don't be cry. Yeah. I know, like basically is that na कि I am, dude. It's your difficult time. I know it's a very difficult time. It's that ki, it's very difficult time. Yeah, and every a successful person goes through that difficult time. Okay, you are facing those difficult times. That's why, because of, in the end you will become something really successful, and you know that. And this is not overconfidence. This is the confidence. All right. So just bear those difficulty problem, face those things, find out the solution, figure out how should you solve that thing, how should you solve that problem again, and try again and again, guy. That's it. That is the only thing. And don't lose hope, dude. Don't lose hope that ki, what you saw on the Instagram and what does friends and what does people are doing. Yeah, I know they are doing right, and just like that. But dude, it's just like you have to be focus on yourself, focus on things that you do. And obviously भाई तेरा भी वक्त आएगा यार, बस तू बस करते जा यार, करते जा. एंड डोंट बी थिंक दैट कि भाई यू आर क्लोज टू 30 एंड जस्ट लाइक मेरे दोस्त की शादी हो रही है, इसके सबकी शादी हो रही है, एंड आई एम नॉट. आई डोंट नो, just trying to be getting things. And all right, so well, झालं यार, just like I don't want to talk. All right, after this artifact episode I have to create shorts. Okay, so I can schedule tomorrow I have to play God of War. And yeah, everything is good. Yeah, I have to play today God of War, because tomorrow, first of all, shorts is really important. Yeah, upload a shorts is really important. All right, so this is it. This is the my artifact episode number 2715. Right now we are at Wardha, Maharashtra. Thank you.